Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pores Plus. Yes, this is a place. It really is. I changed the paper out. It really is me. We're going to do a little experiment here. I'm not sure exactly how we're going to do it, but we're going to do it. We have some Arm & Hammer baking soda. And we have some vinegar in here. We're going to see how paints react to that. To both of those, or one of them. I don't know. We're just going to make a quick little cup here. I do mean a quick one. This is a 4x4 canvas board. Oh, I didn't want to get the 6x6 because they warp. Goodness, do they warp. What colors do we need to start out with? Anybody know? No, nobody knows. Because I don't know. Here goes my chair. Oh, you didn't even hear it. Okay. We're going to be, you know what? We're just going to pour it, and pour it. We're not going to put it in a cup. Here we go. Just going to do like a little puddle pour. And maybe pull some stuff out from the center. It's going to take so little paint here. Come on, there we go. There we go. There's a little puddle. Going to call it Poodle. Hello, Poodle Puddle. How are you? Don't mind me. We're fine. We're fine. We're a little bit nervous about doing this, if that makes any sense. Now we're going to use some Pearl Sapphire on top of that. Just a wee bit. Let's see if I can create any cells or some kind of an action. All right. Now we're going to try some gold. 20 full K gold. On top of that. And yes, that's what comes out first is just the sludge, I guess you want to call it. Alrighty. Let's take the... I think it was left on, darn it. No, it was left off. We're good. See what that does, if anything. We're going to try and tilt it. Oh, that blue and white are looking nice, aren't they? Keep it in the frame. Okay. We'll keep it in the frame. Wow, when I said minimal, I really did mean minimal, didn't I? Okay. We're going to spray some... There. Oh, that sprayed quite well. Some vinegar, see what that does. This is white vinegar. Did that do anything? I do believe it may have. Let's bring it closer to look. Put some white residue in there, or it went down to the white. Interesting. So you see it's a little bit more liquefied because vinegar is liquid. There we go. I was like, where did I put it? Just going to put a little bit in my hand here. Actually, we're going to take these little crumbs here and see what that does. Did that do anything? Oh, shit. I think I have it on stream and not spray. Oh, look at the bubbles it's creating. Ahoo. Plop another one in there. Like it's a Pepto-Bismol thing. What is in my hair, guys? Oh, I had some paint. Yep, some paint. Paint chips. It's not as exciting as I thought it would be. I talked it out with ChatGTP, and They say, oh, it'll create this and that. I'm like, okay, we'll try it. I meant to bring down some peroxide, but damned if I could find any up there. Huh. Usually I have peroxide all over the place. What are we going to do next? I don't think we want to use the torch anymore, do we? I don't know. Let's kind of play around with it with a little dotting tool. If I can find this. Okay, well, we've got the pipette. We'll just... No, there's a dotting tool there. One moment. There we are. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Just for shits and giggles, guys. Just for shits and giggles. Huh. Yeah, those colors would not be bad together. Huh. Idea. Yes. Alright. I know I have itty bitty small cups, but I don't know where they are. I don't know where anything is, guys. I don't. So we're going to use a plastic one. I can wash it out. I'll put some of the Sapphire Pearl, and where'd the gold go with right there? And the gold. I'm going to give it a bit of a twist in here. See if we can kind of... Those are... Oh, aren't those pretty together? Wow. Let's pour it on top of here. See what we can do. Huh. It may need the white to go with it. Dang it. Let's try and spread it out here. There we go. We're going to get dirty here. That's okay. My. It'd be a slopping, but not in the right places. Eh. I hear my princess down here. What you doing, Pin? What you doing, girly? Okay. We are going to figure out the spray on here. Test. Alright. There we go. That's more like a mist. Huh. First, though, we're going to... I feel like a mad scientist at the moment. Sorry about that. We're just going to crunch this up. Maybe. My pin. What you doing, girly? And we're just gonna put some randos on here. Now you can make texture with the baking soda. I was watching that. I'm like, okay. If I ever want to do a beach scene, which I doubt I will, I can use baking soda and acrylic paint. Alrighties. That's kind of absorbing it, isn't it? Alrighty. Now Now we're going to go with the spritzy do. See what happens. Huh. Not that exciting, is it? Let's do another spritzy do. I can hear it sizzling. Can you hear it? Huh. Well, I don't know what to tell you guys. That sure is pretty in the cup, though, isn't it? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Huh. I don't know what this is going to turn out to be like. I think it's going to have texture. Let's see if we can pop these without getting our sweater in there. Yeah. Well, let's just kind of leave it here and see what happens the next couple days. Oh, yeah. It's Experiment Saturday, guys. Yay. Yay, raw. Should I hit it with the gun, the torch? Yeah, why not? Okay, we're feeling fearless today, guys. Here we go. Alrighty. Didn't do a darn thing. It didn't go poof. Alright. Yeah. Do you want to come down for a close-up? You do? Okay, I need those helmets and seatbelts on, please. You might even get a shot of the pin-pins as she walks around. Sorry about that. Alright. Like I said, the 4x4. There's the penny pin. Do you guys notice anything different in here? Do you see any reaction whatsoever? I sure don't. No, I don't. Yeah, alrighty, guys. Should we spritz it one more time? Let's spritz it one more time. I'll get you down here so you can hear the sizzle. Hopefully. Here it goes. Can you hear it? Look at the bubble. Yep. Okay, guys. All right, well, thanks for coming around. And if you haven't yet, click that bell for notifications. Totally ring it like you mean it so that it rings. It's got the little choo-choos on the side of it. And I want to thank you to my subscribers, guys. I thank you for sticking with me. I really do. It's been a winter. I'm coming back. Yes. So little by little, I'm coming back. So we will see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. You guys take care. Be good to each other. Have a great weekend. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, guys. Whoops, there we are. Bye-bye.